morning I woke up and decided I wanted to sleep another hour and a half, but I was not awake enough, capable enough to reprogram the time and reset an alarm, and by that time I realized it was a sign. One thing I've been testing out that had me terrified to start was waking up, not going to the gym, but instead having a productive workflow. Then working on those priorities gives me more momentum to end up going to the gym. That being said, I'm still testing it out. We're gonna lock in and I will see you guys after. I'm hungry and look who's here. You guys know I love HelloFresh. I've been a repeating customer myself, so I'm excited to say thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. This time of the year is about locking in, and HelloFresh just makes that so much easier. The best part about HelloFresh is everything is pre-portioned, pre-measured. Less food waste, less time prepping. Here's everything we got today. 45 to 60 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes. And then we have the warm steak, kale, and sweet potato salad, which takes 15 minutes, but also looks the most delicious. Let's do that. You have the option to choose your portions as well. I get them for 4 people. That way I can have leftovers for meal prep. Get up to 10 free meals on your first box at HelloFresh.com with code MiaSayoko.FM. Free meals applied as discount on first box. New subscribers only, varies by plan. That is up to 10 free HelloFresh meals and free shipping. Just go to HelloFresh.com with code MiaSayoko.FM. You guys, the sweet potato is incredible. I just know this is gonna be amazing. I can't wait. And here's the final product. This tastes like an LA $30 salad. I've been a HelloFresh customer for years and they've made a lot of improvements along the way. Bigger portions, twice the amount of healthy options, and 15 plus high protein recipes every week. Get up to 10 free meals on your first box at HelloFresh.com with code MiaSayoko.FM. Free meals applied as discount on first box. New subscribers only, varies by plan. That's up to 10 free HelloFresh meals and free shipping. Just go to HelloFresh.com with code MiaSayoko.FM. Photos are done. One more work block. Did not think that was gonna be a 10-hour straight workflow. I am so tired. I definitely don't want to go to the gym. The nighttime supplements and my spironolactone, and I already took my creatine. has this gigantic pillar, which has been the longest struggle for me to figure out what to do with it. I think it only makes sense to use it to divide the rooms, office, lounge. I envision this kind of helping separate that space. We have my new chair, my new desk, the rug, and the sofa. So a lot of you guys asked if I still like my green couch that I got in my living room. And yes, it took a while to get used to, but I love it so much, I got it in another color. These definitely need more time to inflate. I think it looks good there. Oops. And we have some wall decor. Not exactly what I thought I ordered. We made a little drawer system. Because I'm getting rid of that black desk, I don't have drawer space, so this was perfect. Now let's put together our new desk. This is everything that was in my drawers before, and it's been sitting in this box, and I'm so sick of seeing boxes in my apartment. Wow, I just went in my drawer system and I found this so easily. So satisfying. Smells a little vintage. If I remember correctly, this rug is huge. I wanted it to cover as much of this room as possible. I initially bought it for the tan side. I actually feel like I like this white. Maybe not. A little too cutesy. Love it. It is looking so cute in here. I think it's apparent that we have some eyesores. I want this room to be functional so I can be the most efficient version of myself. However, I cannot be that with eyesores. This shelf, these toys, and this treadmill, it's just a little distracting. We're gonna try to hide this behind here and might as well use the room divider since we have that. Here's the problem. This desk is too long. It's not gonna fit both. We gotta swap the desk. We gotta swap the treadmill. It's not easy, but it's possible. Perfectionist, and I always saw that as a good trait. I've always been praised for it. But as I've gotten older, I realize it's my least favorite trait about myself. Someone once said, perfectionism is procrastination in disguise. And so dropping all of these habits has been a good practice on combating my perfectionism. I came across a podcast clip where some random guy mentioned that he never procrastinates. And he's like, yeah, if I come across something that I realize I need to do, I'll just do it in that moment. And this random guy saying the most simple thing had so many people in his comments being so inspired, like, wow. And it got me thinking, thinking, let me intentionally try doing this today. The no procrastination method. As soon as I see something that's on my mind, I will do it then and there. My first and only goal was to make lunch. I was starving, and immediately I started thinking I can't make food with a dirty kitchen, which sparked a second task, clean my kitchen. Speaking of kitchen, this pantry has been a mess for too long, and it is time to, figure that out. That didn't take long, only 20 minutes. Now that I spent 20 minutes cleaning the kitchen, I'm realizing my living room is absolute racket. I can't have a clean kitchen without a clean living room, so here I am. Oh, there's some fur on the couch. Yeah, let me just take care of that real quick, Fur on the table too, of course we're gonna clean that up. Gotta light a candle. Obviously, we're gonna make the bed. Oh yeah, there's some plants that I need to water. Speaking of water, let me fill that up. Oh, and by this point, we're just at a flow state. It doesn't matter how much time we spent, we're going all in. We're rearranging our kitchen. The coffee maker, I never really liked the spot, and maybe I didn't like where this water has been. Maybe I just spent 15 minutes doing this, but maybe that's okay, because if I'm gonna spend that much time, I might as well see it through, right? And this will go on forever. Suddenly meal prepping. I'm watering more plants. I found some meat that was going bad, so I might as well cook it. And things are so clean, so I gotta go all in again. And I quickly realized this method of no procrastination does not work without delegation and prioritization, especially with an ADHD and perfectionism tendencies. It was time for me to get it together and get outside. Post-workout meal, a hunk of deli meat, slice of mozzarella, a pickle inside. Gorgeous. Here is the office space so far. We got everything hidden. It looks clean, minus the Roomba, which I added in here. So we have a bit of a dilemma. Love that all of the messy things are hidden. The dog toys, the treadmill, the projector, the DVDs. But here's my dog, ready to play some fetch. I go onto the treadmill and we start playing fetch. But when I want to throw the toy, where's my dog? Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to give up aesthetic and switch the treadmill and the chair. Once a day, but it always comes back to this. Can I get this done in 10 minutes? Yes! And that's how you know it wasn't even dirty, it was just messy because your system was off. As far as having a system for my plants, I gotta just do it when I see the problem, instead of create a whole day of problems, okay? I've always preached about going to the gym in the morning because health is wealth. A lot of times it gives you a lot of energy for your day, creating a good momentum. However, the past few months, I've been doing the opposite and allowing myself to have freedom and flexibility with my schedule, which has always been something that's mentally really hard for me to switch. But all in all, my overall routine has just been making sure I'm checking the boxes. And having these tools for a quick at-home workout has been keeping me consistent. This is the first time I haven't had a specific morning routine in years, but I do have some new habits. That is ending my night with a nighttime clean and starting my morning off with a morning clean as well. This alone has been so life-changing. I'm no longer running around throughout my day doing my ADHD cleaning and overthinking my tasks. I'm much more focused and able to get into a flow with whatever it is I'm doing. Then I'll immediately have a coffee protein shake. I charge my phone in the bathroom in the nighttime and I don't touch it until I'm done getting ready for my day. More recently, I've fallen into a really bad habit of using it to help me wake up. And I didn't realize how much it affected the momentum at the beginning of my day. So now what I do is I make my protein and I enjoy it in bed so I can have a slow wake up. And I think this quiet time to myself has been brain altering. And it's definitely a habit I'm literally gonna keep forever. And once I'm ready for my day, I'm ready to be productive. Some days I'll still work out in the morning, but I've actually learned to love a nighttime workout. I feel like it gives me a lot more energy. These little adjustments have been snowballing into more self-care things like taking care of my hair, taking better care of my plants, having better sleep, and just overall finding a new routine that works for me. We're gonna try early mornings. We're gonna try sleeping in. We're gonna try all-nighters. I have felt so much lighter, brighter. Life has more meaning. Being too focused on my goals has been my reason for failure many times. What does it matter when I did a cold plunge if now I don't have time to walk my dog, clean my apartment, do my laundry. Don't get me wrong, learning and trying all of these habits, routines has taught me a lot of discipline, and it's also taught me what I like and don't like. So this is a work in progress. We might still be fixing some bugs, and I'm excited for all the videos to come.